So today we have the mystery tackle box by the Catch Company. It's the Bass Fishing Kit Box 544. We got it at Walmart, and I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. I always open it backwards. Okay. We got some of these little hooks. We have another crankbait. We got one like this already, but this one's a little bit smaller. We got some biffle bugs. Just soft plastic. Then we got some soft plastic frogs, and a fishing sticker. This was box 544. This is everything we got. We had the soft plastic frogs, the topwater. We have the biffle bugs, the sticker, and the hooks, and the fat boy crankbait. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.